go for this for our base color, and this is our accent color. So we're at Home Depot just picking out some paint. Lots of choices. Got a little bit of reading to do. We're gonna give this one a go. Interior flat. It ought to work. Hey, we're gonna do some sanding of our speckle work. So I've got myself just a little chunk of board, and I have wrapped a 150 grit sandpaper here around the board, just kind of make an impromptu block. You want to just smooth down any of the rough spots. Kind of make that wall as smooth as you can. Now when you're sanding, be careful not to sand the drywall paper too much, because you'll damage it, pull it right off even. So try and concentrate just on your joints. Sharp. Way down. Catch a little bit of the paint. We're going to be doing the floor later, so we really don't need it to be pristine and clean. Just try to avoid major sloppy incidents with this tarp. Tray set. Get into this paint. First of all, I'll crack it open. Here's our stick and make sure it's stir it up. Here we go. Stick. Good. Oh. Okay. Here we go. Paint. So our base color here is called Evening White. It's really nice. A little bit of gray. I like it. And we've got a trim color that's called Voyage or Voyage, if you like. We'll see that in a bit. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.